What is going on, HLI crew? So we're finally done with the Batgirl. I teased you a little bit on the last video, but she's all done up, and it was a very fun build, from getting the files to 3D printing it to cleaning it up, figuring out how to fix some of the parts on it. But she is really cool once she's done. Had a lot of fun painting her, got a lot of advice from a few friends, and I got over my fear of painting eyes. Well, anime eyes anyhow. They're not easy, but they're not as hard as you would think they are either, so that's not too bad. The next video, like I said, when I do Catwoman, I'll try to get better camera angles and everything like that, figure all that stuff out so you can see me actually doing the anime eyes, and this way you can do them too. If I could do them, you can do them. These aren't even that perfect. There's a little wobble in one of the eyes, but maybe she got punched by Harley Quinn or something like that, and she's a little cockeyed at the moment. So, enough out of me for the second. Let's get over to some pictures of the finished build of Batgirl. Well, thanks for stopping by and checking out the finished Batgirl. This was an awesome 3D print, like I said. If you're interested in this Batgirl and you have a 3D printer and you want to print her out, look in the description below. I put a link to this specific Batgirl. The developer of the file actually has a whole bunch of files that are really cool. There's a couple more Batgirls I'm going to get, and the next one up I'm going to be doing is this Catwoman right here. Going to be interesting to do because I've never done a black suit before. Next up is thank you all for everything you do for HLI, and thank you to these people scrolling by right here. They are members of the HLI community here on YouTube. They make monthly donations, and it helps us do everything we do between the sites, giveaways, contests, and all that other good stuff. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and that like button. It really helps the algorithm know that you like this content, and it spreads it to other modelers out there. And hopefully we get more people in the HLI community. We'll see more builds, have more friends, and all that other good stuff. So again, thank you for all the compliments on the Batgirl. It was really fun. Next up for the build series is going to be the Witch for Halloween, and also I'll probably try to do Catwoman at the same time and see if I can pull that off. So I'm hoping you're all taking care of yourselves out there and being good. Build some more models, and I'll see you all soon. Take care, and bye-bye, everybody.